Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well. Today we are exploring some creative and trendy crochet hat and cap designs that are perfect for adding a unique touch to your winter wardrobe. First we have adorable Spider-Man inspired crochet cap. The combination of bright red, black and white make them instantly eye-catching and fun. You can create different versions by changing the color or experimenting with the eye designs. Next is the cute web-inspired crochet bag. The black spider web detailing over the red base give his design a bold and playful look. It's a great idea for anyone who loves superhero-inspired or Halloween-style crochet project. For something more edgy, check out this black cat ear crochet hat. The little ears, red stars, safety pin details, hanging chain give it a stylish alternative fashion vibe. You could customize it with a different patches, charm or color to make it more completely your own. If you prefer something soft and cute, this pink crochet hat with contrasting ear is a beautiful option. The pastel color make it perfect for sweet, cozy winter look, and you can easily change the color to match your favorite outfit. And finally, we have the black crochet hat decorated with the red spider and a web. This design shows how simple crochet can become something really creative when you add handmade applique and contrasting color. The best thing about crochet hat is that you can personalize almost every detail from yarn, color and stitch pattern to the applique and decoration. So whether you love cute spooky heroes, superhero inspired or alternative design, there are plenty of inspiration here for your next crochet project. Watch which one of these design hat you like is your favorite. Also tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more crochet designs and creative handmade inspiration. There are many more ideas, there are many more patterns and tutorial on my YouTube channel. Also watch those. For example, there are my viral video that have tutorial of crochet shoes design ideas, crochet baby booties. Also watch these. It is my top rating tutorial, and also there are many tutorials, for example, of crochet gloves, crochet hats, crochet caps, and these type of caps tutorial are also